Hi guys, welcome to my channel, test number 6 with the morphing wing. Today is a beautiful day, obviously. It's no wind and it's a nice evening. So what we have modified today, what I have modified today is this bit here. Instead of moving the whole wing, the morphing is only happening close to the center. Here you go. And I've extended the ailerons maybe about 30% more area, because really I was finding it difficult to control the plane, and so the range now is that much. So you can see it's a very big range, because really it's so stable, so difficult to control sometimes. So here you go, another little taste. And well, whatever happened, look at this. Great. Okay, trimming is done. Always the hardest part with this little remote control. All right, let's see how it plays now. Okay. I think it's well, today is an easy day anyway. I mean, something goes wrong today, it's definitely I was going to say a pilot error, let's not push it. It's not the kind of wing who likes to be moved about too much. He likes it nice and mellow. Glides all right. I think we'll have to try it with a normal propeller again. I think it's sitting a little bit at an angle, and it tends to climb.
Trim center.
Just have to be nice and mellow with this one. So here, the highest position, where it should, in theory, affect the flight. Okay. Highest position again. lowest. Yeah, it's really not very responsive. It's very sluggish. You put some power on, and even with a 4S battery, it doesn't respond very quickly. And it's been raining non-stop for 3 days, so maybe we don't want to go in the grass too much. Let's try lower, and try it here. That's the lowest.
Maximum
I've got it set, and I don't want to go that low. Maybe here. See again. That's better. Yeah. Yeah, I had it a little bit too. I had too much angle on the 11. Yeah, it glides much better now. I may be able to get away with a little bit more. Okay, the highest position now. Let's see how it plays. Okay, that's looking a bit better now. Okay, let's land it. Let's check the battery. It was better this time. I think it just needs a bit more power. The 4S is definitely very useful. Yep, because with the side wings have this angle already, helping with the flying. And yeah, it's all wet now. Well, that's it for today, folks. Thank you for following. The battery is run down. I mean, I've got 0 left. I already pushed my luck here. Hopefully it's not totally dead. And I hope you're enjoying my videos, and hope to see you again sometimes. See you later, guys.